right, today we're going to duplicate pages. So first we're going to want to go to our table of contents, and this is where we're going to build our notebook. So let's see, I am going to choose, I'm going to write my heading. I'm going to do design ideas. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to want to build that tab with different paper. So right now there's no paper behind the tab. So I'm going to go to my paper tab, and I think I'm going to choose Classic Notes. And I'm going to pick a color because I think color makes things more fun. So I'm going to go up to the top right of my screen, and I'm going to choose the three dots where it says copy page. So I'm going to copy that page. Then I'm going to go back to my tab, and I'm going to click the plus sign in the little paper icon, and I want to paste that page. I want to paste it after the tab. So you can choose before or after. I'm choosing after. So paste the page. So now you see you've pasted the page after your tab. But now I think I'm going to add some more paper. So I'm going to go back up to my paper tab, and I'm going to do some dot grid. So once again, I want to copy this page, and then I'm going to go back to my tab, but I'm going to paste it. I'd like it before the notes. So before, last time we chose after. Now we're going to choose before. We're going to paste that page before the notes. Now I'm going to choose some 6-column lists, and I'm going to copy this page. Only I'm going to do it a little differently. I'm going to go up to my thumbnails and scroll down, and you can see where we've been working. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little arrow, and I'm going to paste the page. Let's see, I'm going to paste the page after. I'm going to want it after, and there you go. So now you can see how we've built our notebook. Thanks for watching.